In ARP, a host queries with an IP address, broadcasting that query to every other node on the network. That query will be of a form who has a particular IP address, such as 130.207.160.47, and the particular host who has that IP address on the LAN will respond with the appropriate MAC address. So the ARP query is a broadcast that goes to every host on the LAN from the host that wants the answer to the query, and the response is a unicast response with the MAC address as the answer that's returned to the host that issued the query. When the host that issues the query receives a reply, it starts to build what's called an ARP table. Its ARP table then maps each IP address on the local area network to the corresponding MAC address. Now, instead of broadcasting an ARP query to discover the MAC address corresponding with this IP address, the host can simply consult its local ARP table. Let's now take a look at what the host does with this information. When the host wants to send a packet to the destination with a particular IP address, it takes that IP packet and encapsulates it in an Ethernet frame with the corresponding destination MAC address. Essentially, it puts that IP packet inside of an Ethernet frame. So before it sends the IP packet with that destination IP address, it first puts the packet inside a larger Ethernet frame with its own source MAC address and the destination MAC address from its local ARP table.